Man, I love driving my car. Hey, what are you doing? I'm driving my car. Wait, that's your car. That's my car. How do you know they're exactly the same? Because I saw yours said 82. Look, see, it says 82 on there. And look, see, that says 99. That's mine. I do not know what he's talking about. It's my car! Get up, my car. My car. No, it's my car. That's weird because Endermans don't even have cars. And that's weird because humans don't even have cars. Yes, they do! Humans have cars. I've seen like lots of humans have cars. I don't know what you're talking about. It's mine. No! Oh, come on. Now that's it. What are you doing? Ow! Okay, it's your car. Yay! Ow! No, that's it. I need to buy a different car.